Oh, a cave with a danger sign. We shouldn't open it. Doey looks so curious, but the warning sign is there for a reason. Be careful! Oh no! Doey just opened the cave. This could be really dangerous. The fierce crocodile is smashing trees. It's heading toward the railway. Oh no, it flipped over the train. This is an emergency. Doey is rushing to the police car. He needs help right away.
The monster is destroying the railway. Save me.
Oh no!
Help me! Help me! Okay, we're on our way.
Look, the rescue team is rushing in to handle the situation.
Oh my god.
The police car takes action. A shot hits the crocodile. It can't keep causing trouble.
Wow!
The crane carefully hooks the crocodile and places it onto the truck to be taken away.
We have to rebuild the railway. Okay, let's go.
La 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 la. Hey 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 la.
The rescue vehicles get to work fixing the railway right away.
Go, go, go.
Hurry up, hurry up.
Thank you.
Look, the dump truck is pouring sand to create a solid foundation for the new tracks. The road roller moves smoothly, compacting the ground to make the railway strong. Ta-da! The railway is complete. Now the train can run safely.
Think carefully before you act. Don't be reckless and cause danger to others.
Baby Car is on a little adventure today. Let's see what mischief she's getting into. Subscribe to stay tuned for the fun. That's too much, man. The baby's all dirty now.
No 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 no.
You can't fight back that big of a bully, baby. Let's find another way. Hold on to your seats. We've got a baby car taking on a big, dirty bully. Never mind. The little car chickened out and ran to her big brothers for backup.
I will get justice for you.
Oh boy, it's on. Get ready for an epic showdown between racing cars and the mighty construction team. Who will emerge victorious in this high-speed clash?
I will get justice for you.
Gear up, folks! The racing cars and the construction team are putting in the hard work for their upcoming showdown. Pick your side and get ready for an intense battle.
Are you ready? Fight!
Fasten your seatbelts and rev those engines. McQueen might be feeling the pressure with those bigger trucks around. He may be smaller, but he's got strength and speed on his side. Watch out, truck!
I can't see anything.
Pinky car means business. She got some serious beef with this truck. The battle rages on, with cars and trucks giving it their all day and night.
I give up. I'm so tired. I don't fight anymore.
It seems like a peaceful resolution might be a better way to go. Let's see if they can find a common ground and put an end to the rivalry. Hey kids, get ready for some construction site fun. Subscribe now and stay tuned for exciting adventures ahead. Hold on tight, folks. A wild storm is approaching, and it's set to wreak havoc on our construction site. Oh dear, it seems like a flood has hit the construction site. The water is rising, and our construction team needs to act fast to tackle this new challenge.
Be careful. There's a hole around here somewhere. Follow me.
The rising water poses a threat to the engines, and our construction team needs to take extra precautions to ensure the safety of their vehicles. Oh no! McQueen is in a tight spot! Let's get the rescue team to help him out of that tricky hole! Here comes the rescue team! Crane truck, you're up! Time to scoop McQueen out of that tight spot. Oh no, it seems the rescue team hasn't noticed McQueen yet. Let's hope they spot him soon.
Help me!
Oh no, I will do it right now.
A sturdy rope will certainly help in pulling McQueen out of the hole. The more hands on deck, the better. Let's call for additional help to ensure a smooth rescue
Sorry,
for McQueen.
I can't do it.
Help me!
We come to help you.
Thank you.
With a powerful team and coordinated efforts, there's no challenge too big. Nice! Our heroic rescue team has pulled off another successful operation.
I will take a bath.
Our cars
Thanks
are
for your
unstoppable, overcoming challenges, and always ready for the next adventure. The tension is rising
Stop.
as the cars rev up their engines for an epic chase.
Stop now.
Buckle up, subscribe, and join us for a thrilling ride through twists and turns. The tables have turned! Our clever construction team has built a tunnel to thwart the runaway criminal's escape. Hold on to your seats! He is gonna jump! The criminal managed to make a daring escape. Now it's up to our clever police team
Catch
to come
me.
up with a plan and catch him! Oh no! Now, not only do our brave police officers need to catch him, but they also have to ensure the safety of the train!
Oh no!
It's dangerous.
Stop racing! There is an accident up front!
Oh my god, stop now. Oh no, I will call someone come to help you.
Someone needs help.
Okay,
Let's go.
Fear not, my friends! Helicopter to the rescue! He'll lift the train and everyone to safety!
I'm here. Let me help you.
With the help of our brave helicopter friend, one by one, all the vehicles are being rescued and brought to safety. The teamwork and coordination are truly remarkable.
Me.
Let's continue working together to overcome any challenges that come our way. Our trusty rescue team is ready for action.
I
Let's
need to
work
do
together to
something.
fix the railway track. Now the team is set. Can you guess what we are building? Sounds like our heroes are getting ready for a new bridge mission. Building a new railway track will ensure smooth transportation for our cars and trains. The tracks just snap into place like a perfect puzzle. It's like music to my ears. Those rainbow poles add not just support, but a touch of vibrant magic to the entire structure. Fantastic! The moment of truth has arrived.
Me.
Let's go. Oh no. I'm stuck. What is going on? Can you get me out of here?
Okay.
You are too big. Oh no, the train is coming. There was a serious accident.
Help me! Oh no!
It's terrible.
Me.
Help me.
Yeah!
Can you help me fix the rails?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, bro.
I'm here. Let me help you.
Thank you.
Oh no. Are you okay?
Hey, what's going on?
The bridge was broken.
Oh my god.
Hey, go.
Hey, stop now.
Oh my god. Let me help you. We need to repair the bridge.
Okay.
Help me! Help!
What is that? Oh my god, monster. There is a monster in the cave.
Okay, let's go.
Oh no.
The monster trucks are causing a rumble on the Rainbow Bridge. Will it hold up under their weight? Stay tuned to find out what happens next.
What is going on?
Oh no! Earthquake.
Quick! Someone clear the way!
Hey, calm down.
Hey, stop.
Oh no! The Rainbow Bridge has crumbled! We need the rescue team to come and save the day!
I will call someone to help.
Let's go.
The helicopter and transport truck are on their way! Stay calm, everyone!
Oh my god, it's terrible. Let me help you.
All right! Buckle up, everyone! The helicopter is swooping in for a
Me
rescue
first.
mission! Hold on tight! It's gonna be an epic liftoff! Get ready for a smooth ride, cars! Our trusty transport truck is here to take you to the repair station. No bumps on this journey! Alrighty, cars and trucks, let's roll into the repair station and erase those scratches!
We have to repair the bridge.
Okay, let's go.
Let's construct a vibrant rainbow bridge as a tribute to the incredible unity, strength, and teamwork showcased by our heroic rescue team! Our helicopter friends truly showcase their swift and efficient rescue skills! Hats off to our dedicated police truck! He's not just maintaining law and order, but also contributing to the reconstruction efforts. Let's stack these colorful Lego blocks skillfully to create a solid and vibrant base for our rainbow bridge. Success indeed! A big thank you to everyone! Hold on tight, folks! A new racing gangster is revving up for action! Subscribe to witness the excitement unfold! Zoom, zoom! Police car! It's time to rev those engines and catch that thief! Oh no! Watch out for those sharp nails, police car! That's harsh! Let's pray for our police buddy! Oh no! Now where are the police wheels? We need a rescue team to help
Where
fix those wheels
is
and get it back on the
my
road!
wheel?
That color doesn't look too familiar! Nope! Not the right wheel. Let's get another one. Second attempt. Here we go! No way! That wheel is too small! The search for the perfect wheel continues, with hopes high for the ideal match.
Oh yeah!
No, don't throw the wheels away. The police need it. Don't worry, we'll retrieve those wheels for the police car. No waste here. Don't tire out our diligent police car. Return the wheel, and let's put an end to this chase. The chase is over, and we've got the wheels back.
It's mine.
Okay.
Nice.
The police car's back in action with its wheels intact. Let's continue the pursuit and catch that thief.
Help me.
You say, please.
Please.
No. There are monsters in the cave. I want to explore this cave.
Oh no!
Wow! Amazing!
Yahoo! Yahoo! Ah! Woohoo!
Yahoo!
Amazing!
What is going on?
Pink, pink, pink.
Oh no!
So good.
We're winning! Hooray! Hooray!
Yeah! Okay, okay. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Let's go. Oh my gosh! Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Ouch! Stop resisting!
Hey! What happened?
Help! Please help me!
Okay.
Help me! Help me!
Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you!
Bye-bye! Help me! Help me! Thank you!
Aha!
Wow.
Hurry up! Hurry up! Hurry up! Hurry up! Oh no! Hurry up! Hurry up!
Oh my god.
Oh no! Hurry up! Stop! Stop! Hurry up! Oh my god! Help me!
Thank you. I'm so sorry.
Hurry up! Hurry up!
Oh no, I'm overweight.
Oh my god!
Oh no.
No, no, no!
Somebody help me!
Aha!
No, no, no!
Oh no.
Okay.
Oh no.
No, no, no! No, no, no!
Oh my gosh!
I need your help, please.
Okay.
Okay, boss.
Oh my gosh!
I can't hear you!
Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Well, thank you! Thank you very much!
Thank you.
Thank you very much!
Yes. That's funny. Yeah. Yahoo. Wow. Well done. Nice. Good job. Hello, what's happened? Okay, I'll be right here.
Avoidable.
Please stay away. What's happened?
Oh no! Oh boy! What's going on?
Help, help, help.
Go faster, faster! Oh no! Oh no!
Oh my god.
Oh no.
Hurry up! Hurry up!
What do we do?
Call the police, call the police.
Huh?
Oh no, okay. Oh no.
Help me!
Please reverse the car. Please step back and keep a safe distance.
Okay.
Help me, please!
flatbed car.
Okay, let me.
Yay! Thank you!
What should we do now? Aha! Please come to the intersection.
Please pay attention when moving through intersections.
Thank you so much!
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Oh my god. Stop. Oh no.
Three, two, one, go!
Oh my god, what's happened? Okay, wait. Hey, help me. What's happened? There is a fire on the railway. Where? Follow me. Go. Let me.
So hurt.
Allo. There was an accident on the railway. Okay. Hey, I need help with something.
So hurt.
We must fix the railway.
What happened?
Oh my God!
Hey!
Let's go! Let's go!
Aha. Stop. Stop.
Huh?
Come on in. Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh no, what's going on? Oh no.
Help me, please.
Don't worry, I'm here. Oh no.
Stop, please. Oh no.
Try your best.
No, no.
Oh no.
Stop, please.
Oh no.
Hey, wake up, wake up.
What's up?
There was a big accident.
Oh no.
Let go.
Oh no. Oh my god.
Help me. Thank you. Help me, please. Oh, thanks. Yay.
Oh yeah.
Help me, please. Thank you.
Don't worry, I'll take you to get it repaired.
Hey, we need to fix the road.
Okay, let go.
Yay. Great. Oh yeah.
Don't exceed the speed limit.
Oh yeah.